quick review. This is my 2012 Chevy Sonic turbo 6-speed manual. I bought the DNA Motorsports exhaust for it, which is a resonator delete muffler. It's decent quality. The sound is actually really good for what it is. I paid $188 for it, and you get this big old 4-inch tip. Pretty monstrous. And the welds on it aren't that bad. And on the inside of the, can't quite see in there, but it has almost the same design as a Thrush Turbo, but in a like a wave type form. It doesn't just go straight through, it's kind of a curved baffle on the inside. But I'll turn it on real quick. I'll do a couple of revs in this video, but not too much. I would say for $188 off eBay, even if this only lasts like a couple of years, if it rusts out, then that's still a pretty good deal. It was free shipping, so yeah, $188 for that. Turbo sounds really nice when it blows off. The 5,000 RPM range, which is almost max, but 60 something hundred RPM. Yeah, I give it a good 4.5 out of 5 on quality of sound. Out of 5.